Hello everyone and welcome to ixamBee. In this video, I am going to introduce an online course for data visualization and analysis brought to you in with association with IIT Madras, Pravartak and Gradskey with ixamBee. So here you will have three partners which are going to help you to get this course, that is data visualization and analysis, where you can transform the data into actionable insights which will help your organization as well as your career profile in long run. So first of all, let's discuss about the data visualization and analysis course brought to you in by Gradskey and Pravartak, that is the IIT Madras one. So basically, Gradskey is one of the partner which actually provides a platform for all the candidates or working professional who wants to add some technology into their skill set. IIT Madras Pravartak is in collaboration with Gradskey to provide such kind of associations and such kind of courses to the people. So this is their kind of collaboration. Now, this particular superhit collaboration is getting added with ixamBee, where you can prepare 50% faster. So you will get an access to all the three platforms things, like not exactly the access, but yes, the course that is given by Gradskey in association with IIT Madras Pravartak, as well as you will get very kind of orientation or help from the ixamBee team, where you can have this one. So this is a kind of collaboration of three platforms: ixamBee, Gradskey and Pravartak. So this is about the partners who are going to provide you the course. Now we are going to discuss why you should have data visualization and analysis in your bucket list. So first of all, the technologies keep on changing every day. If I have to say every day, that is not a wrong thing to say, but yes, the result of those technology can be visualized in let's say a year or 5 year. Like we have chat GPT right now and everyone is using it. So it is not a day thing which happened overnight. It is the effort of the people who are working for it for past amount of time, and then this thing got converted. So you can see that once the things get converted, they can get a large mass of the acceptance. Now, why we need this data visualization and analysis at all? Data visualization and analysis is a technology which is booming at current scenario, as well as there will be a good amount of applications of this particular skill in coming future. When I say coming future, it is just 1 or 2 years away, and it is going to long last, let's say, for more than 10 to 20 years. So it will add value to your profile. If you are a IT people who is working for an IT firm, let's say in private organization, or even if you're working in a public organization, no matter in which department, but as an IT person, or if you are a people who is not having any kind of uh, job at all. So this particular course is meant for all the three kinds of people in the IT sector. You can have it in your bucket list and it will add value to your profile. So let's first discuss for all of these who are working in the public sector how this course can be good for them. So the ones who are working in the public sector within IT only, I'm saying, okay, even if you're not working in IT and you have some kind of orientation towards learning the technology, you can also go for it. There is no restriction that you can only be an IT person, then you can go for it. Even if you zeal for learning new technology, if you are aware that this particular thing is going to get appreciation in near future, a lot of many applications will be there and you need to learn it, then out of curiosity you can also learn it, no problem. But yes, the main application will be with the people who are working in IT sector. So first one, IT people with the public sector jobs, so they can have this skill in their resume, and once they have it, they are going to add value to their organization, because public sector organizations are mostly outsourcing the things. And when it comes to skill set, the people who are working in public sector get the things outsourced. So many a times, even if you are outsourcing something, you need to have proper information regarding that. You can get this thing done once you are even aware of the same thing and you guys are on the same platform with the person to which you are collaborating. So definitely for the public sector people, if there is no direct implementation of this particular skill set, you will have an indirect implementation. Now, second people, private sector people. So private sector people will get benefited a lot of this, lot from this project and this course, because this particular thing is in demand. Every next project, every second project is actually demanding the skill set of data visualization and analysis and data science, where if you are a person who is even above average with this skill will get a good amount of handsome salary. So if you are an IT person working in private sector, you want to upscale your technological front, and you want to upscale your profile, you want to upscale your salary, this is one way which you can do. And this course is not from anybody else, from any particular street. It is from the IIT Madras in association with Gradskey and ixamBee. So definitely you guys will get benefited a lot, because you are getting it something from very authentic platform. Okay, now coming to the third set of people who are unemployed. So people who are unemployed are more like good to go for this particular course. This particular course will help them to have the technology before they enter into any market. If let's say you guys are trying to get a job in private sector, this particular skill set will help you to get a job. If you are trying to have a job in public sector and you're preparing for the exams and everything, once you are done with the exam, it will add value to your profile once you enter the particular organization. Or else, if you, let's say for the SEBI or for NABARD, let's say some portion of the pre or the means is coming from this particular subject. So definitely this is going to be very helpful for all the three kinds of people which we have: unemployed, employed in public sector, and employed in private sector. So that was a kind of introduction to all of you who are having a confusion that why they should have this skill in your resume. Now, after this particular introduction, I would like to give you an insight about this particular course. So first of all, you will have this data analysis online course. So this particular course is for all the graduates. There is nothing like which we are refraining someone or not, but yes, you should be a graduate. This particular course is for the graduates. So how this particular course is structured, that this is the thing that we are going to discuss. So you can see here, there will be an introduction to data science, which will be of 3 hours, then programming fundamentals of 18 hours, and data visualization of 24 hours. So these are the 3 major pillars in terms of syllabus once you are going to get connected with the data science visualization course. Okay, this is for the data science and visualization. The other one is the data analytics that we are going to discuss later on. But as you can see in the current slide, you can get to understand what we are delivering, or exactly what Gradskey is developing or delivering. That is the introduction to data science. Everything will start from very scratch. Then the fundamentals of the programming in Python, where you're going to learn how to use different APIs, how to work with external libs and everything. Then data visualization. So in data visualization, there are so many tools out there in the market like Tableau, and then all plotty libraries, charts, graph maps. There are so many things which you need to understand, because you need to visualize the data, and for that you need multiple tools. For that particular thing, this is the third part, that is the data visualization. Now what you will get in this particular entire online course, you will have the discussion from their peers, and you will get confident once you discuss with them. Your thoughts get approved, your thoughts get neglected, whatever the things may happen, it will actually give you a correct path. Now get insights of our knowledge. You will practice and solve the problems and learn while solving the problem. Then you will get in touch with the industry pioneers, and you will learn under their hoods that how to think according to their spectrum. Now it is very a skill based thing, because the industry is actually skill based. If you don't have skills, you are out of the industry. But if you are having the desired skill, you are in the game till it is there. Okay, now with the skill people, you are going to get it reviewed. You are going to get Gradskey point, which is going to help you to buy further courses, or they are going to help you in the fashion in which Gradskey points are operating. So this is the very first thing for the data science visualization course. Now the syllabus for the data science analytics. Okay, so here in data science analysis courses, the first 2 pillars that I explained in the previous slide are same. The only thing that is going to be different is the data analysis. Apart from data visualization, you are going to have data analysis, and in data analysis, how the things are done with the cleaning, ETL processes are things, and there are so many things which you will learn. This is just a short insight about it, but you will get the real kind of implementation with this thing. So this is the part, that is the second course, that is the data science analysis for all the graduates. So as it is written, the first 2 topics are same as that of the data visualization course, and this is the only one which is different. Now after having all these things in your mind, I will recommend to join us and become the part of the most desired professional every employer wants. Okay, so what we mean when we say this thing, join us. It is actually you are joining and getting in collaboration with the IIT Madras and with the Gradskey. It is a very authentic platform. You guys go and check if you want to check it. In our website also, you can go and visit under the career growth, under the career point things, and how these things are working. You can have the access to it. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. We are there to help you. No matter your doubt is small or your doubt is making sense or not, but yes, we are there to answer you. So please do write every query that you get for this particular thing. We'll make a next video in which we will have a more detailed discussion. This particular video is kind of an introduction that we are having something like this, and you guys can get onboarded with this thing. Okay, now if you guys have any doubts, you can email us at hello@ixamBee.com, or you can have a phone call with the desired number that is given here. Now, the last and foremost thing that I'm going to discuss here is like, no matter in which sector, in how much you're earning, you should always look forward to the future. Looking at the future is not only meaning that you need to plan something, you need to have a financial planning. It is also the technical planning that you have to do, because you're working in an IT firm. So when you are an IT people, you need to be upskilled with the upcoming technology. You have to be robust so that in any kind of bad situation, in kind of recession, or in kind of anything, you guys are able to survive. Okay, this is the best thing that you guys can have from your particular skill set, and that will come only when you have those skills. So always be in touch with the skills that are needed in the industry. Once you are having that skills, nobody is going to like lose you. Everyone will try to have you, and that's why we say become the most desired professional that every employer wants. So now, last 3 points for this particular course. This course is very basic to an advanced level, so that anyone can start from the scratch and reskill themselves for institutional growth. It can be public, it can be private, or it can be self growth. But yes, it will lead you to an institutional growth as well. The course is designed in partnership with Gradskey, an educational institution partner with IIT Madras Pravartak. You guys can go and check in the website as well. Now, in this particular extensive course of 4 months training program, the students will go through the theoretical as well as the industry level practical training. And also the top 10 students, this is the last announcement, the top 10 students will get a chance to enroll in the Gradskey IIT Madras Pravartak skill training platform, where you will have to pay some additional cost, and it will lead you to the placement assistance that these IIT Madras is providing with a big product-based companies like Microsoft, Acer, and many more. So this is the last added advantage, but the last added advantage will be given to you only once the course is completed. And if you are in the top 10% of the students as per the assessment results, because there will be continuous assessments as well. If you are having the assessment passed and you are in the top 10%, then definitely with paying some little additional cost, you will get the placement assistance from IIT Madras. So yes, all the people who are working in private sector as well as people who are unemployed, this is also one window where you can prove yourself, you can get something very good, and the placement assistance with the product based companies like Microsoft, Acer, these will be provided to you with IIT Madras. So that was all from my side. I hope you guys like this video and you guys got some kind of information that what we are going to do. We are trying to make a robust kind of situation where all the peoples can find the desired job and with the desired skills. Okay, so this is our first step towards that. Please keep us motivating by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and joining the course. In the meantime, till I bring the next video, if you guys have any doubts, please do mention in the comment section. We'll be very happy to help you out. So that was all from my side. Keep practicing and stay updated.